Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and getting the app or library installed. This avoids wasted steps. Once installed, open the project and import your cursor assets, individual PNGs, or a single sprite sheet with timing metadata. Make sure to place files in a predictable folder and name frames sequentially. This helps the loader detect order. If a sample config exists, load it now so you can test a basic animation before customizing properties like frame rate or hotspot. Now you configure the animation behavior and why each option matters. First, pick a frame rate that balances smoothness and performance. Higher FPS looks better but costs CPU. Then set the hotspot so clicks land where users expect. Adjust for scaling on high DPI displays. Next, map animations to input states: idle, hover, click, and drag. Once done, wire those states into the app event listeners, so transitions happen immediately when the user moves or clicks the cursor. Finish by deploying the animated cursor and validating behavior under real use. You should test multiple resolutions and input devices, watching for lag, stutter, or misaligned click hotspots. If performance suffers, optimize by shrinking frame count, compressing images, or enabling GPU compositing. These reduce CPU and latency. Make sure to keep a backup of a working config. If things go wrong, capture logs and step back to that known good file. This speeds diagnosis and prevents accidental regressions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.